Okay, so we got our Space Invaders here. We can move our ship. Now let's talk about aliens, and maybe we want to copy this one, but the aliens will be animated. So okay, let's alien, and alien. Gotta change also here. Alien. Okay, alien will be alien. Alien. We got different aliens. Well, alien 1, we got this alien 1 here. 0, 0. See what happens. It's here. 10, 10. There it is. Okay. Now we want to make, what if we want to make more aliens? We want to make it a squad of aliens, and it's equal let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 alien for each let's say 5 of this one. So for A in a squad, if A equal 1, alien and let me see X enumerate squad if for each item in line, if this item so we're gonna iterate through this. Let me call this one line, so this line 1, etc. Each one has got an item. Okay, let's think to this list as this. So for each line in squad, for each item in the line, if the item is 1, we will make an alien. If we do so, we will see just 1, but there are more of them. I can do 50. It's the it's the X here, so this is the line, so it's the Y, and this is the X because it's a horizontal axis, so it's 50 for X and 50 multiplied for Y. Okay, there, here they are. But when I put them 100 plus, and maybe 100 plus, too much. Let's say 10 and 10, too many. On the nope. Good. Yes, maybe 70. Yeah. Okay, now we got our enemy up there and we are ready to shoot them. Maybe yeah. And the last line, they should be white, but for the moment let's leave it this way, and then we're gonna see also how to move them, etc. Thank you.